Looking for a cozy way to warm up as the weather cools down? Spice Tea NYT recipes from the New York Times offer a perfect way to enjoy warming, spiced flavors in every cup. Today, I'll share 5 irresistible spiced tea recipes inspired by Spice Tea NYT to bring warmth and comfort to your fall and winter. First up, we have the classic Indian Masala Chai, a staple in the Spice Tea NYT collection. This traditional blend combines black tea with ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Just simmer these spices with tea and milk for a rich, warming drink perfect for chilly days. Next is Bengal Spice Tea, a popular Spice Tea NYT caffeine-free option. This blend of cinnamon, ginger, fennel, and cardamom is naturally sweet and perfect for unwinding without caffeine or something lighter. Try spiced green tea NYT. This recipe blends green tea with cinnamon and ginger for a mild, antioxidant-rich drink that's both refreshing and warming. If you're craving something sweet, vanilla spiced tea is a must-try from the Spice Tea NYT collection. Adding vanilla to spices like cinnamon and cardamom brings a smooth, slightly indulgent flavor that's so comforting. And finally, who says spiced tea has to be hot? Iced spiced tea, inspired by Spice Tea NYT recipes, brings all the complex flavors of chai in a refreshing, cool drink for any season. Ready to bring some Spice Tea NYT magic to your cup? Try these recipes, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cozy ideas. Happy sipping!